Is MP Materials a good company? The answer is a bit complex. It depends on whether you're asking about its strategic position and mission, or its financial performance as an investment. As a company, yes, MP Materials is widely considered a strategically important and well-positioned company. Crucial national asset, MP Materials is a national strategic asset. It is the only company in the United States with a fully integrated rare earth supply chain, from mining to magnet manufacturing. This directly addresses a critical national security concern and reduces reliance on foreign supply chains, which have historically been dominated by China. Government and industry partnerships. The company has recently secured a landmark public-private partnership with the U.S. Department of Defense, which includes significant investment and long-term procurement commitments. They have also partnered with major companies like Apple to provide domestically sourced magnets. These partnerships provide a stable foundation, validate their business model, and ensure a market for their products. Vertical integration. The decision to move downstream from just mining and processing to magnet manufacturing is a smart strategic move. It allows them to capture more value, control the entire supply chain, and provide customers with a secure, end-to-end domestic solution. Strong growth and innovation. The company is aggressively expanding its manufacturing capacity and is at the forefront of industrializing a critical sector in the U.S. They are investing heavily in new facilities and technology to scale production. Positive workplace culture. According to Great Place to Work, 80% of employees at MP Materials say it is a great place to work, significantly higher than the typical U.S. company average. Every full-time employee is a shareholder, fostering a culture of ownership and shared success. As an investment NYSE MP, from an investment perspective, MP Materials is a higher risk, higher reward growth stock, significant upside potential. The company is forecast to experience strong growth in both earnings and revenue over the next few years. The strategic importance of rare earths, combined with government support and industry partnerships, provides a strong long-term growth narrative. Analysts are bullish, with many upgrading their price targets recently. High costs and profitability challenges. The company is currently in a heavy investment phase, ramping up its separation and magnet manufacturing facilities. As a result, its costs of sales have risen sharply, and it is currently not consistently profitable. The company reported a net loss of $27 million in the first quarter of 2025, which warrants caution for investors. Volatile commodity prices. Rare earth elements are commodities, and their prices can fluctuate significantly, which impacts the company's revenue and profitability. High valuation. The stock has seen a massive surge, up over 290% year-to-date as of July 2025, driven by news of major deals. This means the stock is trading at a very high valuation with a high price-to-sales multiple. A lot of future success is already priced in, making the stock sensitive to any operational delays, setbacks, or a drop in rare earth prices. Analyst outlook. Analyst ratings are generally a mix of buy and hold. While many have raised their price targets, stock's current price is often at or above these targets, suggesting caution about its valuation. The company has also been the subject of frequent insider selling in recent months. In conclusion, MP Materials is an excellent company from a mission and strategic standpoint, playing a vital role in national security and the clean energy transition. As an investment, it is a speculative growth play with high potential, but also significant risk. It's best suited for investors with a long-term horizon who are comfortable with volatility and the inherent challenges of a company in a capital-intensive high-growth phase.
Okay, let's go.